Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss a market leader from the FMCG sector. So we are going to discuss why I am buying this particular stocks, what are the reason behind it, and we are going to see how much potential is available in this stock. So before starting our discussion, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get regular updates on the value buying opportunity which we discuss on this channel, and we do all the fundamental financials and the technical analysis of those stocks and see how much potentials are available in those stocks. So let's start our discussion. So when I said we are going to discuss a market leader from FMCG sector, you must have guessed that which company we are talking about. So you have guessed correctly, we are talking about Hindustan Unilever. So what are the reasons why I am buying this stock? So in my portfolio, I am already having Hindustan Unilever. I have purchased few of these stocks in the month of October last year. And this Friday, I have purchased few of the more stocks because I see the potential going forward in this particular stock. So the main reason why I am buying Hindustan Unilever and aggregating this particular stock, because there is a correction in the FMCG sector in the last few months, and the FMCG sector has corrected about 15 to 20%, and particularly Hindustan Unilever stock is corrected more than 20%. Why FMCG stocks are correcting in recent past? So there are two major reasons of FMCG sectors and FMCG companies for non-performance in the past few months. But when I say non-performance, this is nothing to relate with the financials of the company, because financials are stable. The companies are showing consistent growth as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned. Only thing is there are some macro challenges which these FMCG companies are facing. So one of the critical challenge with these companies are facing are the recent increase in the inflation in the macroeconomics. So that is one of the critical reason. Because of that, raw material prices of these FMCG companies has been increased, which has impacted their operating profit and the net profit in past few months. The second reason what these companies are facing are they are having a war with the distributor who are selling the products of these company, and particularly we are talking about Hindustan Unilever. So this war is all about the margins which Hindustan Unilever company is paying to their distributor for selling their product. So currently these distributors are getting higher margin from the local manufacturers or the local brands compared to the Hindustan Unilever, and they demanded for higher profit margin for selling their product in their stores. So that is a second reason Hindustan Unilever company and other FMCG companies are facing recently. So these are basically the two fundamental reasons, and because of that, the stock has been corrected too much in recent past. So now let's analyze the financials of Hindustan Unilever, and let's analyze whether company is facing any challenges or not. So let me open the screener. We are in the screener and we have opened the Hindustan Unilever financials. So market capitalization of Hindustan Unilever is 5,36,541. So this is one of the largest FMCG companies in India. ROCE of HUL is 39.2, which is a great ROCE when it comes to any company. Now debt to equity ratio is hardly 2%. So this is one of the debt-free company, and the promoter holdings is 61.9, which we are going to see in detail in our shareholding pattern analysis. Now let's see the quarterly analysis, quarterly results of this company. So you can see from March 2019, the revenue was 10,201, and currently it had posted highest ever revenue, that is 13,439. And over the past 12 quarters, it has shown the consistent revenue. Only the March 2020, that is a pandemic period, the revenue has decreased by some percentage. Otherwise, the revenue is consistent over the past 12 quarters. Now coming back to net profit, in March 2019, the net profit was 1571 crore, and currently it has posted highest ever net profit, that is 2,297 crore. Again, if you see the last 12 quarters of net profit, it has shown the consistent growth as far as the net profit is concerned. There is no issue as far as the financials are concerned. Only thing is, because of some macro challenges which company is facing, the whole sector and particularly HUL has corrected by huge percentage. Back to profit and loss analysis. So in last 10-12 years, if you see March 2010, the sales was 17,738, and currently it has posted highest ever revenue, that is 47,028 crore. And if you can see, the trailing 12-month revenue stands at 51,112. So again, it has posted the highest ever revenue and shown the consistent growth over the last 10-12 years. Now coming back to net profit, in March 2010, the net profit was 2,157, and currently it has posted highest ever net profit, that is 7,995 as on March 2021. And trailing 12-month net profit, if you can see, it posted 8,761 again, which is a highest ever net profit. Now let's analyze the balance sheet. So if you can see, they have consistently increased their reserves. In March 2010, the reserve was 2,451, and in March 2020, the reserves increased to 8,013 crore, and in March 2021, the reserves have been increased to 47,439. So this sudden increase in the reserves number are because of their merger with the Glaxo, and they have acquired Horlicks brand from Glaxo company last year. So that is why you can see the reserves have been increased from 8,000 to 47,000 because of the brand value which they have acquired from Glaxo. That is also reflected, if you can see, in the fixed asset. So under fixed asset, in March 2020, the fixed asset was 5,479, and in March 2021, the fixed asset stands at 51,433. That is again only because of the brand they have captured, that is Horlicks. That is seen under the intangible asset. You can see 45,262 crore. So coming back to cash flow statement, whatever the profit the company is making, they are getting the cash regularly, which is shown in the cash from operating activity. Recently, you can see, as on March 2021, the cash flow from operating activity is 9,163. Now, our last financial discussion, that is shareholding pattern. So currently, the promoter holds 61.90% as on December 2021, and FIIs holds 14.71, DIIs 10.85%, and public holds 12.53%. So there is a marginal reduction from the promoters holding in last 12 quarters from 67.19 to 61.90, and FII has increased their shareholding pattern from 11.83% to 14.71%. Again, also DII has also increased their shareholding from 7.03 to 10.85, and the public shareholding is consistent over the last 12 quarters. So this is all about the financial, and we have seen that the financial, they have shown the regular growth as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned. So there is no issue as far as the financial is concerned. But again, the company is still corrected, and the stock of HUL is still corrected by more than 20%. So before analyzing HUL stock, let me show you Nifty FMCG, how it has performed over the last few months. So recently it has posted a highest ever price level of 42,000 in the month of October, and from that Nifty FMCG has almost corrected 15%. So there is a huge correction. And why particularly we are talking about HUL is because when you take FMCG sector and Nifty FMCG, HUL contributes, the weightage of HUL is more than 30%. It is close to 32% precisely. Now, if you can see, this is a strong resistance and support line. Here the chart was going up, and you can see there is a resistance, multiple resistance in this range. And after posting the highest ever price level of 42,000, it has came down, it has corrected by 15%, and again it is showing a huge support at this price level. So as it has taken the support at this price level, that is 36,188, this is a strong resistance and support line, and I don't see any reason for Nifty FMCG to further break down this price level of 36,000. Also in Nifty FMCG, I would like to show you that why it has made the 42,000 of price level, and after that it has corrected, because if you can see, it has formed a cup with handle pattern recently, and let me draw it for you. So this is the cup, this is the handle, and if we can take the lower price level up to the neck price level, we will get our target. And if you can see, our target as per the cup with handle pattern was 41,623, and it has recently touched, that is in September and October, it has achieved this potential target as per the cup with handle pattern is concerned, and after that it has corrected, and corrected by 15%. So that is whenever the technical target in any chart pattern has been achieved, we can see a few correction from that particular level, or even sometimes we can see the consolidation in that chart pattern. So that is why it has corrected by few percentage as far as Nifty FMCG is concerned. And from the last few months, that is from the October month, we have seen the correction in the whole market, and because of that also it has further corrected by few more percentage. Now let's analyze the Hindustan Unilever stock and see how much potential is available in Hindustan Unilever. So currently, if you see, the stock is trading at a much strong resistance and support line. So if you can see, this is the resistance point, this is again the resistance point, taken the support here. Now it has given the breakdown below and corrected by few percentage, and again it is showing the resistance, multiple resistance it is showing at this price level, and currently it has taken multiple support, that is 1, 2 and 3. So it has taken 3 support recently at this price level. So that is why this is a strong resistance and support line. So now let me show you what is the potential available in HUL stock. So this is the second resistance point I have drawn at the price level of 2,507, and again it has given the cup with handle pattern. So this is the cup, this is one handle, and this is second handle. So complex cup with handle has formed. So if we can take the lower price level and draw it up to the neckline, and after drawing, let's take it and put it on the neckline, we will get our potential target. So our potential target in the case of HUL is 3114 price level, and from current price, if you can see, the potential available is 36%. So as I already told you, I have purchased HUL few months back in the month of October, and recently on Friday I have purchased few more stocks of HUL, because I am seeing going forward, when the inflation will stabilize after few months, the stock will going to achieve its potential target as far as the complex cup with handle is concerned. And the second point is, this stock is available at the price level of 2283, which is the price level it was trading 2 years back. So we are getting a company like HUL at its 2-year older price level. So I don't want to miss this opportunity, and that's why I have made multiple position in HUL. So when I'm saying the potential target of HUL is 3114 with 36% potential, again, this is not a buying recommendation. Please do your due diligence, because here we are learning how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis, and how to identify the value buying opportunity in the stock market. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.